question.
You
Practice already.
you've been practicing?
Yeah, I already know it's 81 divided by 9.
81 divided by 9. What is it?
9.
Okay. What about what's 7 times 7?
7 times 10, 7, 21.
Ooh, close.
24.
49. 49.
Another one.
Drawing.
Drawing.
Or anything, or painting. Drawing, painting.
Drawing / painting.
Yeah.
Okay, so like their artistic ability.